Hey y'all, in this video I will be doing a balloon garland that I sponsored for a vision party. When I say sponsored, aka it was free, okay? And so that last setup was from a video I did previously, y'all. And so I just go right into my next setup. This is a lot of trying to be a content creator. It's a lot of work. Jesus. This was a female's vision party. I don't think I've ever seen a male vision party or like a male host of vision party. Anyway. But she wanted the colors to be pink, y'all. And so the lighter and darker pink balloons are Tough Tex balloons that I purchased from a local store here in El Paso, Texas. But the metallic ones, that's from Amazon, y'all. I gotta come now with the y'alls. I'm saying that a lot, my bad. And when it comes to balloons, y'all, use your preference. If you use the Party Woo or Amazon balloons and you like those and they work out good for you, baby, keep using that. Keep using that. Now, I spent $80 on those Tough Tex balloons. Will I use those every time? Absolutely not. Okay, I'm not spending $80, girl, please. And then this was free, so I really felt some type of way anyway, spending $80 on these balloons, and I'm not even getting paid. But baby, anyway, use what you can afford. Okay, I use both. I use the Tough Tex, but I mainly use the Party Woo balloons because most times I'm just making content. And when it comes to my content, I'm getting 19, 16 views on my content. What are you doing? What are you doing? Have you subscribed yet? My goal for 2025 was to hit 1,000 subscribers, but y'all playing with me. Stop playing with me. And please don't expect this this behavior or this excitement or this type of energy every time I make a video, baby. I'm in a good mood. I'm on pass today. I'm off work today. And the kids are at school. So I'm in a good mood, okay? That's the only reason. Oh, and I stopped attaching or tying the necks of my balloons to each other and started using 260s instead, or even the rubber band method. That I didn't like that. It wasn't tight enough. So I started using 260s, y'all, and it made it so much better for me. Because if you've watched this video carefully, you can see I took this garland down a couple of times. I didn't like it. I gotta change that as well. I didn't like it. So I kept starting over. I kept starting from scratch. I would take it loose and then put it back together. 260s. It helps me. I don't know, but sometimes I mess up, and so I'll be having to go back and start from the top. So 260s, y'all. Which leads to my next point: practicing, y'all. You gotta practice, baby. You can't look at Felicia's garland on Facebook and be like, "Oh, I'm gonna create that," and you ain't even practice. Girl, get in the field. Stop playing. So before this content or these little balloons I'm doing, y'all, I haven't done balloons in years. I started back practicing last November for my daughter's birthday party. And since then, I've been strong with it. You feel me? I've been strong with it. So even I have to start practicing more. It's certain looks I want to achieve, and my garland's starting to look the same, and I don't like that. So I gotta start practicing more as well. And y'all, I was sick as a dog when I was making this video. Even here, like, I'm sick. I still have something in me. I don't know what it was because I didn't go get checked out. We was on half days. So I was like, I can make it through. I'm a soldier. I can make it through. So I didn't even go to the doctor to know what it was. But y'all, I was supposed to set up at her shop, but I wasn't able to because I was feeling bad. I really think it was the flu, to be honest. I really think it was the flu. I don't know, but I felt horrible. And so I was just supposed to do the garland, but she didn't have anything to put the garland on. So I just included the little metal arches with it, y'all, to make it easier for her to transport. And y'all, she was real understanding. Even brought me back a little goodie bag and some wine. I was like, okay, girl, I see you. Had me smiling. So y'all, I'm off. I'm on pass Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, period. But so I'm gonna focus on Valentine's Day content for my next video. So that's my next content to come. But this is how it turned out, you guys. And I just set it outside for her, and she came and picked it up, and everything went easy peasy, beautiful.